Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Bisweet Vibes. My name is Srividya Kurandevel and this channel is all about information sharing about Canada immigration. In this video series Immigrate to Canada, you are going to get a brief explanation and general awareness about Canada's next plans on permanent resident, that is, the 2021 to 2023 immigration level plans. For today, this video gives a brief explanation about the annual immigration levels plan that determines how many permanent residents Canada aims to admit over the course of a calendar year. Every year, IRCC provides a projection through targets and ranges for the total number of permanent residents admitted into the country, as well as the number for each immigration category. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. The year 2020 has been marked by an unprecedented health crisis. The economic slowdown combined with the closing of borders and travel restrictions had an impact on achieving the immigration plan for 2020. Indeed, the number of immigration admissions was significantly curbed. Since 2017, IRCC has presented a rolling multi-year, which is usually 3 years, immigration level plans for admissions every year. The 2021 to 2023 immigration level plans has been developed considering the evolving situation of COVID-19 and its implications for permanent resident admissions. Immigration level plans is developed in consultation with provinces and territories, stakeholder organizations and the public. Based on the notice and supplementary information for the 2021 to 2023 immigration levels plan, following the tabling of 2020 Annual Report to Parliament on Immigration, IRCC, which is the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, released the details to the Government of Canada's immigration level plans for 2021 to 2023. On the high range, Canada aims to welcome 401,000 new permanent residents in 2021, 411,000 in 2022, and 421,000 in 2023. Selection of applicants are categorized based on the economic contributions, family reunification, support for refugees, protected persons, and humanitarian and compassionate needs. According to the administrative publications, as far as the Quebec immigration plan for 2020, only 59% to 70% of planned admissions was achieved. That is between 25,600 and 30,500 people. The estimated range of unfulfilled admissions is between 13,000 to 18,000. Maintaining the focus on the multi-year planning targets for 2021, the Quebec immigration plan for 2021 is aiming for a permanent immigration level of 44,500 to 47,500 admissions as set out in the current multi-year plan. A rebalancing is also planned with the admission of an additional 7,000 people, representing the deferment of some of the admissions that were not fulfilled in 2020 due to the health crisis. If you want to know more and refer up-to-date details about Canada's next permanent resident plans, the 2021 to 2023 immigration levels plan, please visit the official website of Government of Canada, which is www.canada.ca. Also, I have provided the official links in the description for the annual report and administrative publications on annual immigration plans. Hope you gained a good understanding of Canada's next permanent resident immigration level plans for a rolling multi-year, which is 2021 to 2023. Please hit the like button if you find this information useful and leave your comments in the comment section below about the knowledge that you gained today. And to watch more videos about Immigrate to Canada series, please subscribe and follow my channel Bisweet Vibes. Until next time, this is Srividya Kurandevel signing off. Thank you.